we will learn the topic cubes and cube roots. So let's start. As we know, cube means ghan and cube roots means ghan mool. Okay. So first of all, we understand what is the cube of a number. For to apply x denoted by x raised 3 or x power 3. Okay, we will call it as a x raised 3 or x power 3. Okay, example, if 2 raised 3, it means we will multiply 2 3 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 equal to 8. Thus cube of 2 is 8. So it means क्या हो गया? When we have the 2 as a power of 3 or 2 raised 3, so it means we will multiply the 2 3 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and we got the answer as a 8. So it's called the cube of number 2. नंबर 2 का जो क्यूब है वो क्या कहलाएगा? 8. ओके, सेकेंड एग्जांपल देखिए, 3 raised 3. 3 raised 3 का मीन्स क्या हुआ? We will multiply 3 times. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 and we got the answer as 27. So it means the cube of 3 is 27. Next is the perfect cube. What is a perfect cube? They said a natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural number. They said कि नेचुरल नंबर जो है हमारा वो परफेक्ट क्यूब बनाता है, बट कब? अगर उस नेचुरल नंबर का जो क्यूब निकल करके आए वो भी एक परफेक्ट नंबर हो या फिर वो एक नेचुरल नंबर हो. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. 1 raised 3 or we call it as a 1 power 3. So when we multiply 1 3 times we got again the 1. Okay, so 1 is the perfect square number because 1 is a natural number. Okay, next is 2 raised 3. 2 raised 3, it means 2 ka power 3, we multiplied 2 3 times and we got the answer as 8. So 8 is also the natural number, so it's called the perfect square. Again number 3 raised 3 means we multiplied 3 times and we got the answer as 27. 27 is also a natural number, so it's called the perfect square. Perfect square, they are all the perfect square. If the result of a natural number comes as a natural number, it's called the perfect square. Okay, next is the they give some test. A given natural number is a perfect cube if it can be expressed as the product of triplets of equal factors. They said कि given natural number is a perfect cube. दिया हुआ जो नंबर है आपको, जो आपको एज अ सम नंबर दिया जाता है, then it is a perfect cube. वो कब perfect cube होता है? It can be expressed as the product of triplets of equal factor. If we explain it as a product of triplets, है ना? Product of triplets मतलब 3 times. Cube means 3 times multiplication. अगर वो सेम नंबर आपका 3 times मल्टीप्लाई होकर आता है, then it's called the equal factor number also. ठीक है? Next we will solve some example related to cubes. So first question is, show that 189 is not a perfect cube. So how we will define 189 is not a perfect cube? First we resolving 189 into a prime factor, we get 189 equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. As you all know how to do factors, first we divide 189 by 3, we got the 63. Then again 3, we got 21. Then next another 3, that we got the 7, and 7 is last is 1. So the factorization of number 189 is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7, and we are clearly here कि जो आपका नंबर 3 है वो ट्रिपलेट्स के फॉर्म में आया है, नंबर 3 जो ट्रिपलेट्स के फॉर्म में आया है, बट 7 जो है वो सिंगल है. So this number is not a perfect cube because as we learn, if the number is coming in the form of triplets, that then we call it as a perfect cube or perfect number. ठीक है. तो बिकॉज यहाँ पर जो आपका नंबर 7 है वो अलोन है, तो हम नंबर 189 को परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं कह सकते हैं. ओके. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 अगेन. Understand, show that 216 is a perfect cube. Find the number whose cube is 216. Show that 216 is a perfect cube. फिर से हमको शो करके बताना है कि 216 जो है वो परफेक्ट क्यूब है, और अगर नहीं है तो find the whose number is 216. तो किसका क्यूब है ये भी बताना है आपको. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट विद द फैक्टर ऑफ 216 के फैक्टर्स हम लोग कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर. तो 2 डिवाइड, फर्स्ट वी डिवाइड द 216 by 2 and we got 108, and again by 2 we got 54, again by 2 we got 27, again by 3 then we got the 9, then again 3 we got 3, and last is 3, so we got the 1. End of the factorization. So the factors of 216 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Okay. Then it means we resolving 216 as a prime factor, and we got 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So here we see there are triplets of both numbers. Number 2 have in the form of triplets, and number 3 is also in the form of triplets. So it means this number is a perfect cube. This number is a perfect cube. But which number? So we get out the number 2. Once here we make a pair. 2 multiply 3, 2 multiply 3, 2 multiply 3. We make a 3 pairs of a same number. And we resolving it as a 6 multiply 6 multiply 6. It means 6 raised to 3 or 6 की power 3. Okay. Thus the 216 is a perfect cube, and 6 is the number whose cube is 216. I hope you all understand. Everything is clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Very good. So anybody explain me what is a cube? Anybody explain me what is the cube? Kunal, try to do explain what is the cube.
Yes, ma'am. Cube is the multiply for 3 times. मतलब कि x की पावर 3 यानी x into x into x.
Good. Yaten, what you understand? What is the cube?
For a given number x, define cups of x into x.
Okay, no issue. Paras, can you tell me what is the cube?
Cube, for a given number we define x into x into x.
Okay. Cube is a number just defined as a form of part 3. Okay. Cube is a number that we define in the form of power of 3. Okay. तो ये आपका एक सिंपल मेथड है क्यूब्स का, जिसको आप आसानी से कर सकते हो. एंड जैसा कि मैंने भी आपको फॉर एग्जांपल भी एक्सप्लेन कर दिया कि हाउ वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस नंबर इज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब और नॉट. if the number is coming in the form of pair of 3, that is the perfect cube. But if it is if there is no some number is in a single form, we understand this number is not a perfect cube. Okay, we have the both examples, the perfect square, perfect cube and perfect no perfect cube. Okay, in first example 199 is not a perfect cube number, and in example number 2, 216 is a perfect cube. Okay, let's see the example number 3. What is the smallest number by which 3087 may be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube? What is the smallest number by which 3087 may be multiplied? वो सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है जिससे कि हम 387 को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं so that the product is a perfect cube, जिससे कि जो हमारा आंसर आए. Product means product is anybody explain me what is a product in math?
मैम हम बताएं.
Yes,
Product means multiply.
Product means the answer after coming multiplication. Product means answer after coming multiplication. That's called the product. Okay. So they said कि हमको वो smallest number find out करना है जिसका हम 3087 में multiplication करें और उसका product जो है वो perfect cube आए. Okay. So see how do we complete it? Solution: writing 3087 as a product of prime factor. We have first we do the prime factors of number 3087. We divided by 3 and we got 1029. Again by 3 we got 343. Again by 7 got 49. Again 7, then 7, and finally we got 29. Finally we got the 7 and it's complete in the end of 1. Okay. Then we find out the all factors of 3087 and the pair is like that कि जो आपका नंबर 3 आया है वो किस फॉर्म में आया है? 2 नंबर्स के फॉर्म में आया है. They are only 2 pairs. सिंगल पेयर बन के आया है इसका. But number 7 is a form of triplet. Okay. So clearly to make it a perfect cube, it must be multiplied by 3. Which number is not triplet form is number 3. So we multiply this number by 3 and this number convert into a perfect cube. Okay. ये बहुत सिंपल एग्जांपल था जो आपको आई थिंक क्लियर हो गया होगा कि हमने कैसे वो नंबर फाइंड आउट कर लिया जिससे मल्टीप्लाई करने पर दिया हुआ नंबर जो है आपका वो परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाए. क्या किया? फर्स्ट वी जस्ट फैक्टराइज. हमने इसको फैक्टराइजेशन में फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दिया तो हमने इसके फैक्टर्स किए. देन वी गॉट 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3, 7 मल्टीप्लाई 7 मल्टीप्लाई 7, है ना. तो 3 जो था नंबर 3 इज कम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पेयर ऑफ 2 एंड नंबर 7 इज कम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रिपलेट. So which number is not completed in triplet form is number 3. So we multiplied by 3 and we got the answer. ठीक है? Now and we will meet again tomorrow. Thank you so much all. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.